Need to turn off user account control in Windows 11 but stuck on a restart prompt? Here are 2 fixes. Go to Start button on your desktop and right-click on it. Now, click on Run to open the Run command. Now, type regedit in the search field of the Run command and hit OK to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to the below path. H key, local machine software o, Microsoft Windows au current version o policies o system. On the right side of the pane, scroll down, find and select Enable Lua. Double-click on Enable Lua to open its Edit Toward 32-bit value dialog box and change its value data. Now, set the value data field to 1 and press OK to save the changes and exit. Now, close the Registry Editor and reboot your computer for the changes to be effective. You will no more see the error. Search User Account Control and click on Change User Account Control Settings. In search box from Windows, search Now, drag the slider to lowest value, Never Notify, and click OK. Now, restart computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.